Hello, it's Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and eXp Realty. It's January the 7th, 2024, and I'm bringing you today the real estate market report and forecast on a national level for 2024. I've got some stats for you to share that I think will be very encouraging for you. In 2024, estimated home price forecast. The building associations we're estimating a 4.1% appreciation. The National Association of Realtors, they're estimating an appreciation of a little less than 1%, but still holding. Zillow is estimating a little bit of a negative appreciation of about 0.2% negative. But overall, the experts in the field are estimating about a 1.5% appreciation of home values on the average across the United States. 2024 total home sale forecast. National Association of Realtors estimating about 5.5 million homes will sell. The Mortgage Bankers Association estimating 5.1 million, and the Fannie Mae is estimating 4.7. The average, though, of all three, estimating 5.1 million homes will sell in 2024. Now, mortgage rates, that's always been a big conversation piece for the last year or so with high rates and so forth. You know, as of the end of February, end of November, mortgage rates had dropped for fifth consecutive week. At that time, they were around 7.22%, was kind of the average November the 30th, 2023. As of today, some of the rates are down in the low sixes. And so the rates are trending in the right direction. A lot of the economic experts are projecting rates to be even lower this year in 2024. And as the rates do lower some more, maybe into the fours and maybe into the fives, that will create more buyers and even more demand for homes. Now, buyer demand has been holding very, very steady. The key thing is the fact that there's still plenty of buyer demand. Matter of fact, the buyer demand index is 153% of average. So there's a lot of people who are still looking, who still want to buy, and they probably will buy in 2024 because the inventory is so low, it's keeping those prices up. Now, despite the mortgage rates reaching a 23-year low, 23-year high, low inventory levels are spurring surprisingly strong competition. Depleted inventory stocks are gradually recovering, and price appreciation is slowing. But demand has remained resilient. It's still there and attractive. Appropriately priced listings are moving quickly and sell fast. Buyers and sellers remain active in every economic environment across the country, including when mortgage rates are high. Buyers determined to find a home they love will continue visiting homes with their agents. As we mentioned previously, some sellers are reducing prices, which will present opportunity for those buyers who are serious and who are pre-approved and qualified or cash buyers. Affordability. Interesting. As rates have been increased over the last couple of years, up into the sixes and sevens and so forth, home payments per month for mortgages has increased substantially. Back in January of 2021, the percentage of a typical person's income for mortgage payments and interest payments was 13.3%. As of November the 30th, 2023, 27.3% of the income is kind of the average for mortgage and interest payments. The percent change in home prices. This is very interesting. Across the United States, since the first quarter of 1991 to now, which is basically the end of the third quarter of 2023, a little over 30 years, in the mountain states, which include Colorado, Montana, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, New Mexico, Arizona, home prices have increased 475% in the last 30 years. In the West, South, Central, including Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana, prices have increased in the last 31 years, 312%. In the Southeast, kind of the South Atlantic states of Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, and so forth, home prices there have increased in the last 30 years, 338%. So home prices, they do go up and down, just like the stock market goes up and down. Some years it'll be a little up, some years it'll be a little bit down. But over the 30-year average, the national average of home appreciation is 306%. That means your home has increased in value 306% on the average, nationwide, in the last 31 years. So the bottom line is this: the real estate market is still in great shape. We have some low inventory. We have still relatively fairly high mortgage rates, but we have a lot of buyers who want to buy. My point is, if you have a home to sell, you're considering selling a home, if you price it right and you have the stage looking right, a home is going to sell relatively quickly. A lot of homes are still selling in our market, which is a strong market, in less than 14 days. Kind of the average number of days for a home to be on the market in this current market now is around 40 to 45 days. So keep in mind, real estate is a great investment. On the long term, it's one of the very best, if not the best, hedge against inflation. If you want some more information, more details about the real estate market in your specific area, contact me. Be happy to drill down for you and tell you what's happening in your neck of the woods. I'm Gary Jordan, the Jordan Property Group. I can be reached directly at 719-502-7176. Hope this information was helpful to you and look forward to talking to you soon.